Hi lollipops, today we are reading Fidgety Fish by Ruth Galloway. So let's open the first page. And here we've got all of our fish under the sea. Tiddler was always fidgeting. He wriggled and squiggled, he darted and giggled, until his mum got fed up with him. Go out into the sea and swim till you're tired, but watch out for the big fish, she said. So Tiddler swam out of his cave. Here's Tiddler. He dived and he flipped, he leapt and he dipped, he sped faster than a rocket and glided gently like a swan, letting the sea currents fan his fins. But he didn't still feel tired. There were limpets that clung and jellyfish that stung. Ooh! Tiddler swam on towards the big red starfish. So here's Tiddler swimming towards the starfish. And he butted it gently with his nose. Boop! The starfish just smiled. So Tiddler asked the clickety-clackety crab to play, but it scuttled off into the seaweed. Oh, here's our grumpy crab. Tiddler came to a big, dark cave. It looked much more exciting than his cave back home, and so Tiddler swam in. Here's Tiddler going into the big black cave. Snap! What's happened? What's happened to poor Tiddler? Tiddler was trapped inside the big fish. Oh no, here's Tiddler inside his tummy. He trembled and shivered, and he shook and he quivered. Ooh, he's so scared inside. Until the big fish's tummy began to feel very funny indeed. It rumbled and grumbled, it turned and it tumbled, it fluttered and groaned, it mumbled and moaned, and suddenly the big fish did an enormous burp. And whoosh! Out shot Tiddler. Here he is, back in the ocean. Past the jellyfish and the clickety-clackety crab hiding in the weeds, past the starfish and straight through his front door. I hope you've used up all your energy, said his mum. But she would have to wait until the next morning to hear about his adventures, because Tiddler was already fast asleep. He's fast asleep. Thank you for reading Fidgety Fish.